All right, we're here at Pulpit Rock, or Rocks. Nice little descent down Steamy Valley. Last night had a good rain, and I think I had a partial equipment failure, partial skill failure, and everything I have is damp now. So, and we're supposed to do 16 miles, so that doesn't give me a lot of time to get to camp and dry things out. So I think I'm going to be damp again tonight. Hi. Well, after another big climb, it's time to take a quick water break at this little overlook. I think I got 3 more miles to go. It's 1 o'clock. Okay. Well, when I thought I had 3 miles, I actually had 4.4. And now I've got somewhere between 1 and 1.5. In any case, it's a pretty rough, rocky section. One thought I had for today, and I had a lot of thoughts, but it's hard to spend time to record them because these have been long hiking days. By the time I get to camp and get set up and get ready for the rain or whatever and eat, it's kind of time for bed. But one thought I had for today was, I'm almost 3 weeks in here, and my capacity has definitely increased for distance, taking on hills, wear and tear to my feet, all that kind of stuff. And one of the things is, as you gain capacity, there's always this expectation, this hope that things will get easy, And that was kind of a myth that was given to me when I was a child, that do everything right and things will get easy when you're a grown-up. And it's just not that I did everything right, but seriously, it is not the case that things get easy. Instead, what I think happens is your capacity increases. And so you do more miles, you carry a heavier load, you take on more responsibilities, you deal with more and more stress from other people, your capacity to handle the anxiety of others increases. And so the road never really gets easier. But your confidence that the road will not break you or overcome you can increase. And you can become more comfortable, in a sense, with the idea that you can handle it. Or hopefully you can. I guess until you can't. But in any case, whether it's growing up into adulthood or getting married or starting your career or whatever you have been told is like sort of the finish line, and after that it's all easy. It's not. And I think the sooner we all get used to that there is no finish line until we're done, until our trail comes to an end. And until then, it's hard. Doesn't mean it's not enjoyable or fulfilling, but it will always be hard in one way or another. Anyway, that's my thought. Oops, for today. And I better pay attention before I fall down. All right. Looks like after a 17-mile day, I have finally reached the shelter. Of course, at this particular shelter, there's another 1/4 mile walk to get to the water, but Hey, who's complaining? First task is to find some hammocking trees. Hi. The water's down that way. And the privy is over there. Alright, I had another thought before that rock so rudely interrupted me, and that was simply that one of the reasons that the path is never easy, never gets easy, is because of love. I mean, we could choose to quit the path and live for our own comfort, and maybe that would make it easy. But love always requires sacrifice. Love, by its very nature, is something we're willing to suffer for. That's what word passion means suffering in Latin. But it also means to love something so much that you're willing to suffer for it. Well, in any case, I gotta find some hammocking trees.